How often should I get service maintenance done on my furnace? As the weather gets colder, your furnace will begin to work in overtime mode to keep your home warm. The longer it runs, the further maintenance and repairs it could require. To ensure your furnace continues to run smoothly, you should have HVAC technicians coming in once a year to do service maintenance checks. Maintaining your furnace will keep it running longer and safer. When you call for a service maintenance check, HVAC technicians will run tests to determine if your furnace is running efficiently. If your furnace seems to be displaying some issues, HVAC technicians can help make the proper adjustments, as well as let you know if it needs to be repaired or replaced. Without regular maintenance, you may even void the warranty on your unit. Not only will regular maintenance help extend the life of your furnace, but it is a preventative measure that could reduce the risk of having carbon monoxide being released into your home. Carbon monoxide is a tasteless, odorless gas, and inhaling it for a long time can lead to serious health issues and even death. Remember, there should be a working smoke and carbon monoxide detector on every floor of your home, and batteries should be checked often. At Twintech, our technicians will come and inspect your furnace and do routine maintenance checks like inspecting and clean the air filter, pilot light, fan and heat exchanger. If they find any issues, they can repair or replace any faulty parts. Don't get caught in the cold this winter and trust the experts at Twintech Heating and Cooling for all your furnace and HVAC needs. For over 30 years, we have developed a reputation for quality service in the GTA and surrounding areas. With a team of highly trained experts, you can count on us for any heating and cooling emergency. For more information about our services, visit our website or give us a call at 1-844-894-6832. We will answer any questions you may have. Call Twintech today.